welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen ID.3. This is the first edition automatic, finished in silver metallic paint. There's wheels. As you can see, you've got nice rear tinted windows on this one. You've got power folding mirrors, so when we press unlock, they'll unfold. You've got the new Volkswagen badge. You've got your charging cables. As you can see, a decent sized boot for a car of this size. And you've got your tint on the back as well. So I'll show you in the inside. So as you can see, there is quite a good space in there, so it would suit a small family. Got your really nice grey cloth. You have got 2 USB points in the back as well. So I'll start it up so I can show you some of the features on the inside. So as you can see, on the inside, you've got your really nice touch sensitive steering wheel. It is keyless start. On the screen here, you've got your sat nav. Really good clear picture. All the controls on here are touch sensitive as well. On your climate control, you can put on your heated seats. You have got front heated seats on this one. Perfect in this cold weather that we've got at the moment as well. You've also got park assist. You've got a driving mode selection, so you can choose between eco, comfort, sport or normal. Just depends on how you want the car to feel when you drive it. Over there, that's your lights, so you can control them. They're touch sensitive as well. And the gears are on here. And if I pop that into reverse, you'll see you have got a rear parking camera as well. Perfect for keeping your new car nice and safe. Here, as you can see, it's touch sensitive. And down here you've got your heated door mirrors and your window controls for the front. And then a really great feature is the sunroof. Really lets load of light into the car, especially on a miserable day like today. It really does brighten up the inside. You've also got 2 armrests that you can pull up and down. And then down here you've got 2 USB charging sockets as well, keeping all your devices charged on the go. So I hope you like it. If you've got any questions or you are interested, please just give us a call. Thank you.